Okay, so today I'm going to look at unboxing my new Amazon Alexa product. And so I have the second generation Amazon Echo Plus with the built-in smart home hub and premium sound. Okay, let's have a quick look at the box. We have Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio line in or out, Dolby and Zigbee, built-in smart home hub and premium sound. Echo Plus connects to Alexa and can simply set up and voice control compatible smart home devices. Play music powered by Dolby from your favourite streaming services. Designed around your voice. Just ask Alexa to play music, read the news, check weather forecasts, set alarms and timers, control smart home devices, call Echo devices and more. Alexa is always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Simple to set up and voice control your smart home. Control compatible smart home devices with your voice such as lights, plugs and more. With the built-in Zigbee smart home hub, you can simply and directly set up compatible devices without the need for any separate Zigbee hubs. Voice control music throughout your home. Ask Alexa for a song, artist or genre from Amazon Music, Spotify, Deezer and more. With multi-room music, you can play music on your compatible Echo devices in different rooms. Premium sound powered by Dolby. Speakers with Dolby process and play pure 360-degree omnidirectional audio with crisp vocals and dynamic bass response. Use your voice to adjust equalizer settings like bass and treble. Hands-free calling and messaging. Call or voice message other Echo devices and the Alexa app. Quickly connect to other Echo devices in your home or make an announcement to every room with an Echo. Far-field voice recognition. With 7 microphones, beamforming technology and noise cancellation, Echo Plus hears you from any direction, even while the music's playing. Okay, so you can personalise Alexa with thousands of skills including Amazon Music, BBC, TuneIn, Spotify, Deezer, Absolute Radio or a number of different radio stations, Sky Sports, The Telegraph, Audible, Hue, TP-Link, Logitech, etc. There's obviously a lot of different skills available, which I will hopefully be exploring later. So what's included in the box? We have the Amazon Echo Plus, the second generation, and a 30-watt power adapter. Okay, let's open up and see what we've got. So open up to the Amazon Smile and a cardboard with a tab, so I presume I just lift and out it comes, nice and simple. Nothing else in the box, so put that to the side. Right, let's put the Echo down, quite well packaged, well thought out as well, makes it nice and easy and simple to get out without having to tip the box. As you saw, the Echo came within the packaging as so, and a little box at the bottom which contains the power adapter and literature. And there are 3 booklets. We have the Echo Plus Startup Guide, which I'll have a look at in a moment. Echo Plus Important Product Information in different languages. And Amazon Echo Plus Things to Try. So this looks like a little cue card with a few suggested phrases to give it a go, such as Alexa, play music for cooking. Fair enough, might try them later. Okay, so have the power brick and the Echo covered in plastic film. And there we have it, my new Amazon Echo Plus. Okay, so a quick look around it. We have 4 buttons at the top. We have a plus, a minus, a solid dot, and a circle with a line through. There are obviously a number of holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so I presume they're the 7 omnidirectional microphones. And then the actual speaker is covered in a fairly nice fabric. So on the bottom we have the power and the 6.5mm jack. And then underneath we have a rubbery base, so obviously to give it some traction on any slippery surfaces. What looks like a little screw here, so it looks like you can screw it into something, whether it be a tripod or some sort of mount, and some writing some details. So I have the model number, which is L9D29R, input 18 volt, maximum 1.87 amps, was assembled in China, a few other numbers, Zigbee, obviously CE marked, other safety markings, and device is compatible with part 15 of the FCC rules. Operation is subject to the following 2 conditions: this device may not cause harmful interference, and 2, this device must accept any interference received. I guess the serial number of the products, and what looks like a button at the bottom, or some sort of, so, well, I don't know if it's a button, but it definitely looks like there's something supposed to do with that. So whether that's a flap for gaining access or something, I don't know. Okay, so a quick look at the quick start guide. We have getting to know your Echo Plus. So microphone off, which is the circle with the line through. Volume up, obviously the plus, and volume down, the minus, and action button, the dot, and then the lighting ring around the outside. Then obviously on the back we have the auxiliary audio input or output and the power port. So 1, plug your Echo Plus and wait for Alexa to say hello. Plug the power adapter into the Echo Plus and then into an electrical socket. The blue light ring will begin to spin around the top in about 1 minute. Alexa will greet you and let you know to complete setup in the Alexa app. You must use the items included in the original Echo Plus packaging for optimal performance. So I think if I haven't already, I will need to be downloading the Alexa app next. So download the Alexa app. Download the latest version of the Alexa app from the App Store. The app helps you get more out of your Echo Plus. It's where you set up calling and messaging and managing music, lists, news and settings. After you open the Alexa app, if you're not prompted to set up your device, tap the device icon in the lower right of the Alexa app to get started. You can also start the setup process from the computer browser for UK customers. Travel to https // blah 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 alexa.amazon.co.uk. So for any other countries, go to your appropriate web address. To learn more about Echo Plus, go to help and feedback in the Alexa app. Optional, set up your compatible Zigbee smart home device. I have a number of smart home appliances, so hopefully I'll be able to get these set up at some point as well. If you have a compatible Zigbee smart home device that you are ready to set up, simply say Alexa discover my device, or tap the device's icon in the lower right of the Alexa app. Power on your compatible Zigbee smart home device or put them into the setup mode. For help and more information, go to menu, help and feedback, Alexa smart home in the Alexa app. You can also manage and rename devices in the smart home section of the Alexa app. Getting started with the Echo Plus. Where to put your Echo Plus? Echo Plus works best when placed in a central location at least 20 centimeters from any walls. You can put Echo Plus in a variety of places: on a kitchen counter, at the end table in your living room, or on the bedside table. Talking to your Echo Plus. To get the attention of your Echo Plus, simply say Alexa. And I must apologise now if I've set off anybody's Alexas. Give us your feedback, and that's the quick start guide. Okay, so now let's look at starting her up. Okay, so if you made it all the way through, thanks for watching. It's much appreciated. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Obviously, I'm trying to reach the magic 1,000 on subscribers. So any subscribers will be much appreciated and returned. So if you like it, please leave a comment, let me know. Or also leave a comment if you think there's any ways I can improve. But thanks for watching.